can't sleep? You're not alone. And let me guess, you've tried counting sheep, sipping chamomile tea, even playing lullabies, all to no avail. But have you tried garlic? Yes, you heard it right, garlic. Stick with me here, because this might be the most interesting sleep hack you've ever heard. Like many of you, I've had my fair share of sleepless nights. Staring at the ceiling, tossing, turning, unable to find that one position where sleep would finally greet me. I would wake up the next day, feeling like a zombie, going through my day in a fog. Until I discovered the garlic pillow hack. Hello all, this is Jane. And I welcome you to our channel Brainful Binge, where we dive deep into the delicious world of discovery. We all know how vital sleep is. It's that golden chain that ties our health and bodies together. But despite its importance, quality sleep eludes many of us. Did you know that 1 in 3 adults doesn't get enough sleep? That's a lot of us spending our nights chasing the elusive dream of peaceful slumber. And why is good sleep so hard to come by? Stress, anxiety, a noisy neighbor, an uncomfortable bed, that late-night cup of coffee, the list is endless. The point is, sleep problems are real, they're common, and they're seriously frustrating. But what if I told you that an unconventional solution might be sitting right there in your kitchen? Keep watching, because the secret to a good night's sleep might just be a clove of garlic away. Now, I know what you're thinking, a garlic pillow? Really? Yes, really. This isn't some fairy tale. The solution to our sleepless nights might just be this pungent little bulb that we usually associate with good pasta and keeping vampires away. This hack is exactly what it sounds like, incorporating garlic into your sleep routine. Not by eating it, mind you, but by placing it near your pillow. Intrigued? I was too. This might sound like a wild idea. I mean, who would think of using garlic for sleep? But then, who would think a moldy piece of bread would lead to one of the most significant medical discoveries, right? So, let's dive into the science behind this quirky, unexpected sleep hack. Garlic is known for its strong, unique aroma. But that aroma isn't just useful for flavoring your favorite dishes. Studies suggest it can actually have some pretty powerful effects on your body and mind. In fact, it's been shown to have a number of health benefits. It's known for its antibacterial properties, its potential to boost the immune system, and some even say it can help reduce high blood pressure. But can it really help you sleep? While the research on garlic's effects on sleep is still in its early stages, there are some promising signs. You see, the strong aroma of garlic is thought to have soothing effects, similar to aromatherapy. The compounds in garlic can trigger the relaxation response in your brain, helping you to wind down and fall asleep faster. So, how does garlic help you sleep? It's not by magic, but by harnessing the power of its smell. The idea is that when placed near your sleeping area, the aroma of garlic can help to relax your mind, promoting deeper, more restful sleep. Now that we've learned a bit about the science behind the garlic pillow hack, let's get into how to actually make this happen. Making a garlic pillow is a lot simpler than you might think. You don't need a culinary degree or a chemistry set, just a couple of simple things you can find at home. Step 1. Get a clove of garlic. You don't need the whole bulb, just 1 or 2 cloves will do. And you don't need to chop it up, either. Step 2. Place the garlic clove in a small cloth bag. This prevents any garlic oils from staining your pillow, while still letting the aroma out. And finally, step 3, tuck this bag under your pillow, or in your pillowcase if you prefer. And that's it, you've just made your very own garlic pillow. Now, how to use it? Simply go about your normal bedtime routine, and when it's time to hit the hay, rest your head on your pillow as you normally would. The aroma from the garlic should subtly fill your sleeping area. Remember, the idea is not for it to be overpowering, but just enough to have a soothing effect. Now, I can already hear some of you asking, won't my bed smell like a garlic bread? Yes, garlic has a strong aroma, that's kind of the point here. But don't worry, the smell doesn't linger as you might think. When you remove the garlic in the morning, the aroma should gradually dissipate. And if you're concerned about any residual scent, you can always air out your bedding or use a fabric freshener. Still not sure about the garlic smell? Don't worry, we've got you covered. If you find the aroma of garlic a bit too much, you can try other soothing scents. Lavender, chamomile, or even a drop of vanilla essence can work. The key is to find a scent that you find calming and relaxing and incorporate that into your bedtime routine. Remember, it's all about creating a peaceful environment that promotes good sleep. Now, the most exciting part, I want to hear from you. Give this quirky garlic pillow hack a try and let me know how it works for you. Did you find it helpful? Did it enhance your sleep? Share your experiences in the comments section below. I'm eager to hear how this hack works out for all of you. And if you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, especially those who could use a better night's sleep. With that said, thank you so much for tuning in. Sleep well, stay healthy, and until next time.